Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making another horror game. So now we're going to be remaking the Siren Head game that I made back before. I'm gotten more better at building and all that stuff. So we're going to be remaking the Siren Head games I have made before. If you haven't checked those videos out, just look up those videos on YouTube and you will see them. So we're gonna add in a Siren Head model. So let me do that. Siren Head. And then we're gonna do this Siren Head. Let's just hit OK. So we have this Siren Head. And then we're gonna click it. We're gonna go character, or not character. We're gonna do avatar. And then we're gonna do, I believe, where is it? It should be, oh yeah, I think it's clip editor. It's clip editor, this one, and migrate. Okay. So and then we're gonna probably do the run. Okay, wait, hold on. Load idle. Load walk. Load automatic save, run, idle, kill. What does it look like? What in the world? Like, okay, well, I guess that's something. Let's load in walk. And then let's go save it to Roblox, or publish to Roblox. And then we should just save it, and then we should get this ID. Let's copy it, and let's do, for here, let's do, where is Siren Head? Or Bellhead? His name is Bellhead. We gotta rename it to Siren Head. Now, add in the animation for, and Control V, and that number, and then play animation for. Okay, so hopefully it plays the animation correctly. Hopefully. This guy right here, I have experience with them. It's just, these ideas with, like, people creating these monsters are actually insane. Like, siren with teeth and a body. I mean, it's pretty cool to think that these are people's ideas. And I can't wait to make my own monsters eventually. So like I said, if I'm just making a remake of the game I did make, which was Siren Head. I forgot what it was. It was Siren Head something. I forgot which, but the first Siren Head game did not really go that well. Oh, what is hello? Oh. What in the world? I mean, the leg is a little twisted, but I mean, it works. I mean, it still has animation to it. So, I mean, as long as it works and doesn't just stay still and start levitating and walking towards me without moving its legs, I guess it works. I think next what we should do is, let's see. Let's see. Realistic trees. add stick trees all around the terrain. Alright. Hopefully this should work. Oh. That's not all around the... Oh, wait, it's still doing it. So I think it's just placing this one here. And then it's still gotta place some all around the base plate. No, but this actually looks good though. I like the... Oh yeah, it is actually realistic trees. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually nice. Hopefully it's non-collidable because I know I have been placing trees before, and they have been able to collide. I think they are collide. So let me just click it really quick, and let me just go down to which is the properties, and let me turn it so the player cannot collide with the I don't think I can. I don't see anything for it, unless if it's already set to non-collidable. Maybe it is already set to non-collidable. Ooh, they're like off by 2s. And this one's just a group. Okay, maybe we should just do this by ourselves. Maybe we shouldn't have it around the base plate, because I notice they just like to group the trees. So we're gonna select all of that, or not Siren Head. Let's move him out of the way. We're gonna select every single tree, and then we're gonna go down to properties, and then we're gonna make it what? It seems like you can't make it non-collidable, so we're just gonna rename all of them to duplicate. Oh. Okay. Make sure every tree is okay. Let's see. We gotta take all these. We gotta rename all these. So we're just gonna name it tree. Renamed tree. Then we gotta rename this one to tree. There's still so many we have to rename. Holy. Okay. Okay. Okay, we officially named every single one tree. And now let's duplicate you. And we're gonna duplicate. Oh, it also duplicates as tree, right? Oh yeah, it does. Sweet. Sweet. Duplicate. Duplicate. Boom. And boom. Duplicate. Duplicate. Control D. Is it Control D? Or is it Command D? I found a pattern. It's Command D to duplicate, so I don't have to keep opening that menu. Well, boom. Alright. Command D, 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 D. I Command D several times, so we should have all the trees that we need. Hopefully. Okay, that's it. And then we're Command G. Okay. And then hopefully this should work. Give me a minute, hold on. Alright. Wait, which one was it? Okay, I think we're out of trees. Hold on. Okay. Place you there. Place you there. I just decided to make my remake of Siren Head because I couldn't make it better. And yeah. I feel like the first time I didn't put a lot of effort, and I don't have the skills and knowledge I have now with software designing. So back then, or I forgot how long it was until I made my first Siren Head game, but since when I made my first Siren Head game, it took me a while to make, and I think I can make it better and actually more funner and put more detail into this map like I am right now. Yeah, this is my biggest dream, to become a software designer. I've always wanted to design games my entire, not my entire life, but for a while. I always think it's so fun and creative to have all this thinking and planning to what I'm gonna build, and also building stuff for you guys to test out and play and see what you guys think of the games, and see how I can improve in my games. And yeah, if you guys like the remake, I will make this public in Roblox. So if you ever want to test out my game, you can, and just give feedback, and I will try to improve the game however much I can. Yeah, so I don't know if we're gonna make it like hunting Siren Head. Maybe we won't. Maybe we're just gonna make this like a survival type horror game. Okay. Now that we have a bunch of trees around, let's test it just to make sure that they're non-collidable and we can't collide with them. So let's see. Oh yeah, they're collidable. Definitely collidable. Okay. Make tree. Every tree. No, that's not what I meant. Make every tree non-collidable. So hopefully every single tree is non-collidable and you can't like get blocked by the trees. If you're trying to run from Siren Head, you don't want to get blocked by the trees. That would be crazy. Imagine getting blocked by trees as you're trying to run. I can't imagine that. Okay, generate response. Let's just see if it even, see. I found a tree model in your game. Now I'll make all parts inside of these non-collidable. Okay. That for 8 seconds. The user wants me to make every tree non-collidable. This is an edit time. Is it done? Oh, it's done. Okay, let's test it. Okay, there's a tree right here. Let's just see. Let's walk up to it. It worked. Every tree is non-collidable. Okay, I forgot I added them. Oh my god. You know, make the terrain more foggy and hard to see. Okay, I like this type of fog. This like eerie, dark fog is really, really nice. I like this feeling. Gives a little suspense, you know. Oh my god. Now, we have so many trees. Oh my god, how many trees? My entire thing is just taken up by trees. Oh my god, how many trees do we even have? It looks like we have hundreds of trees. Oh my god. And we just have Siren Head. In the middle of the trees, we just have Siren Head. Oh my god. It's funny because you just see tree, 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 Siren Head, tree, tree, tree. Oh my god. No, wait, shouldn't Siren Head be also up here too? Okay, you know what? No, never mind. It's whatever. Okay. Let's add a day and night cycle. Okay, now on a day and night cycle. So basically, my goal is to make it like a survival type game. Basically, the last Siren Head game, I tried to make it a survival game. It didn't really go well, and I didn't really make it that good. So, I'm trying to hopefully make a better, actual horror game type thing, and have a shop with it. You know, I'm taking inspiration from, The Rake, or something like that. I forgot what it was. It's either The Rake or The Wendigo. I don't know which one it was. But like it's like where you survive, you get money. Each night you to survive, and then you basically you earn the money. You get different like items and all that stuff, and yeah, it like you get all the items. So we're just gonna add a shop. And we're just gonna make him go over it. Oh no, I don't want to take that. I don't want to take him and just put him. It looks like the barriers are still there, so. It looks like some of the barriers are still there. Hold on. Why is the barrier still there? What? Every single tree should be non-collidable, right? Okay. Put you over there. And we're just gonna test out the shop just to see if it is a empty shop or okay, hold on. Let's see, is there add a shop to the center of the terrain and add items I like night vision goggles and flashlights and even a bear or tracker. Hopefully the tracker works. I just gotta figure out how to make the tracker work somehow. Yeah. I'll help you create. Wants you to add a shop to the center of the map of the terrain, with items like night vision goggles, flashlights, and a tracker. This is combined change. I need to first. Okay. Plan next moves. A terrain with lots of trees. Yeah, I mean, that is true. I have a lot of trees and a Siren Head NPC. Let me check if there's any existing GUI or shop system. I don't think there is. Sadly, I don't think there is any shop GUIs or whatever, so hopefully this works. Okay. Oh wait, there's more. Planning next moves. Oh wow. The terrain center is at 0, 0, 0, and there is no existing GUI or system in replicated storage. I need to create a physical shop building at the center of the terrain. Create a GUI. Wait, is there any? Oh. Don't see anything yet. Don't see anything at the building. Let's see. Hopefully this works. It's definitely taking a minute. I mean, it's a big thing. Someone creating the building, the center of the terrain. This looks like this might work. I don't see anything. Bro, I'm not clicking. Oh my god. Why does this thing keep popping up? I'm not clicking this button or any button right here. Okay. Oh wait, I see something. Right there. What on earth is this? Okay. So we do have the shop right here. I never added this. So it looks like there is a shop right here. It even says shop. It's generating the response. Planning next moves. Okay. Okay, it looks like it is doing what it needs to do. Step 3. Pop for 20 seconds. Read the items in the shop. Read. Okay, looks like it's working. For step 4, we're on step 4, client side hop script. Generate multi-edit. Let me create these scripts. Okay. Just generate multi-edit. Oh, accept all script. I didn't even see that. Holy. I don't even know how I did not see that, but it's alright. Generation is taking longer than expected. Oh. Generate multi-edit. Wait, game passes. This is free, but it's 47% likes. 86. Robux shop. Nah. Okay. Remote edit. Alright. Should be done soon. If we can add the actual money system to this. Okay. For 5 seconds. Now I need to create a server-side script that handles the proximity prompt interaction, all that. Let me create the server script. Maybe the server script is really big. That needs to like take a second to actually build the entire server script. Wait, I think there is something for, oh yeah, server script, or server script storage, or server scripts, yeah. Day and night cycle. Alright. You know, let's look up let's do spawn. That's how to spawn here. Just lower it just a little bit. Then we can add a waterfall. Wait. Okay, maybe not. Let's zoom back in. Maybe not that. Generation is taking longer than expected. Please wait. Alright. Let's redo the generation. Maybe you just need to redo. Maybe the first one wasn't the one because sometimes you just need to redo it because for some reason sometimes it messes up. So hopefully with this next one it should work. Oh, generating response. Okay. Can this stupid menu move off my screen? Oh my god. Just trying to freaking turn. Okay. Oh. What the heck? Oh, I see that. I see the shop. Looks different than the first. Okay. Generating multi-edit. Accept all script. Planning next moves. Response. Okay. Thought for 1 second. Now I need to create the shop GUI and the shop handler script. Let me create the GUI and the starter GUI and the server side shop handler. Generation is taking longer than expected. Oh, I didn't even get to do that. Okay. Planning next moves. Generating multi-edit. Now I need to create a server script to handle shop purchases, a local script to handle the shop GUI, interaction scripts for the actual items, night visions, and flashlight tracker. Let me create the server side. I think for flashlight it's gonna stay on 100. Night vision is probably gonna be $1,000, and then tracker should be 5,000. I think that's pretty good. Now for 2 seconds. The script already has some code. I need to update it to properly handle the shop interaction. Let me also create the remote event for opening the shop and update the scripts. Okay, let me just look up shop and see what it's adding. Okay, shop UI, shop client. Command code, planning next moves, open shop, generating multi-edit. Oh wait, we have to pull it up. Okay, generate multi-edit still. That for 0 seconds. Oh wait, now it says I need to add the code for the handler. This will manage all 3 items: night vision, flashlight, and tracker. Okay, so it's generating the multi-edit to actually fully finish this. And then once it's done, it should hopefully work. The battery's still good. The battery right now is 92. Okay, cool. Okay, next moves. A side next. Error in the tab code. There's a tab. God. Let me fix that. Generate response. See, there's a error on 139. There's a tab here and I got mixed in. Let me fix that. Let me try a different approach. I'll rewrite the entire script with the fix. So is it done? What? Code uses destroy, which is undonable. Please review before running. Can I just run it anyway? Okay, hold on. Let's maybe there has to be like a shop. Noob shop. Let's just test here and just see. Nothing comes up. Let's see. For noob. For shop a flashlight. Night vision goggles. Okay, hopefully this works. I'm doing a different approach. I think creating a whole new shop and trying to build a whole entire shop is not working. So I think honestly building just having the shop, hopefully that should work. Alright, now that we looked up shop, let's do campfire. Wait, there should be a spawn. Don't see. Where did the spawn go? Oh, it's right there next to shop right here. So let's just add like a campfire. What is this for? Why does the cabin have strips? Okay, like right here. Let's add some cabins around the map. Okay, it's generating the multi-edit. Okay. My gosh. Generate another multi-edit. Let me create a completely updated item handler script that properly cracks Siren head. I see the issue. Tab character in. Why does it keep doing that? Wait, the edit failed because the old string does not match exactly. Let me read the file again to get the exact content. Okay, hold on. generation. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. That properly tracks. So is it an issue with the tracking? Is that the problem? That might be the problem. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Generate response, command code, generate multi-edit. Wait, let's see. Now let me create a new item handler script with the proper siren head tracking functionality. Without for 8 seconds. The issue is that the script has a tab character that's matched to fail. Let me try a different approach. I'll use the exact lua to read the exact contract of the file and then use multi-edit with the exact content. Actually, let me just create a completely new script file that replaces the item handler. I'll delete the old, create a new one. Okay. So it's creating a whole different script. Is that what it's doing? Proper. I think that's what it's doing. Is it's pretty much generation is taking longer than expected. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait. Generating multi-edit. So it should soon. Well, if it disappeared, then it should soon pop up. Okay, my battery's at 89. Okay, script content. Generate multi-edit. Wait, I see there's a naming. Usually, let me fix the leader stats script to match the item's name used this shop called multi-edit. Now let me also check the shop line to make sure it correctly extracts the item names from the frame names. The shop client uses item frame dot name GSUB G-Shub, I don't know, frame, which would not turn the night vision frame into night vision. That's correct, but wait, I saw there were two different versions of the shop GUI with night vision goggles frame and one with night vision frame. Let me check the actual frames names in their container, I think. I don't know. Oh, it's done. Okay, let's test here. Shop. What? When near shop. Hit I don't know why. I don't know if it's referring to that one or... Let me look it up. Hold on. Shop. Yeah, that's noob shop. Okay. Generate response. What the heck? Ashton Park. Can I make that like invisible? Yeah. Okay, that should be it. Okay. What? You know what? Let's forget about the shop. Okay. For some reason, the shop isn't working. Maybe there's like a point shop. What is this? Wind Force. Ghost Walker. I guess it should work, so let's just look for a cabin. Select. Let's just scale it. Shop, we're just gonna move. Okay, now that we have like a tiny shop, don't know what all this stuff is. I mean, some stuff if you want to buy you can. I don't know what any of these are. Anyway, if you, let's just do add a point system for every night you survive, you get 50 points, and if you die, you get no points. Hopefully this works. Dark Heart. Let's just delete some of this stuff. Ghost Walker. No, I don't even know what that is. This, I don't even know what that is. Rookie Med Kit. Shadow Fear. We don't even know what that is. Shotgun. We do. We don't know that. Wind Force. We don't know that. Shotgun. Dagger. Firebrand. Nope. So, a shotgun. Yeah, I think this is good. We just gotta move that. Accept all script. Hey, sharing multi-edit. Military base, fun, game, cool, new. What? Maybe we'll get rid of Ice Dagger. Actually, let's get rid of all. Let's just look at the shop. Maybe let's forget about the shop, okay? Let's just forget about the shop. Well, hold on. Shop. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Let's see. Just see. Nothing. What? Where? Alright. Nope, nothing. Okay, you know what? I'll add points eventually, like as an update, because I don't think I can't find anything. So, okay, first, let's do when it is day. But when it is night, Siren. Where is he anyway? I don't see Siren Head anywhere. Okay. Generate multi-edit. Septal. And there's one more thing I do need to add. Or it's actually two things. Let's just make sure the thing actually works here first. Does the sun move? Oh yeah, it's moving. Let's go find Siren Head. Add more fog. Add more fog to the terrain. Make it a little bit more spookier, you know? Let's just see how it looks. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay. I think that's the last thing. Wait, hold on. I need to check on Siren Head. Hold on. First, we're gonna test if he actually spawns. Or no, first we're gonna see if he chases the player during the night around the entire base plate. Basically meaning the closest player to him, he's going to is basically going to get chased. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. And we also gotta add a health bar GUI and a sprint bar GUI, which the run key is gonna be the shift button, of course. Generating response. Okay, let's just see. He's not there. Okay, hold on. Make. Okay. Generation is taking longer than expected. Oh, generate response. Plan next moves. Generate response. Okay. And we also need to fix that when during the day, Siren Head is not there. For some reason he's still there, which I necessarily don't know why. Generation is taking longer than expected. Please wait. Bro, I don't care. I really don't. Is he gonna detect me? Okay, we're gonna add a new Siren Head. Alright, let's test here. Okay, hopefully this works. Wait, does it work if I play? Command code, plan next moves. Hey, this should work. Hold on. Okay, generate multi-edit, accept all. Wait, but never mind, it worked. Okay, let's back up a little bit further. Oh, nope, he does. Okay. Now. When it stay until it is night. Hopefully this works. And then the final one is adding the health bar and sprint bar, and hopefully it works. Okay, accept all. Generation is taking longer than expected. Please wait. Wish I knew. Perfect dive. Okay. Now let's test it. Okay, let's just see. Test here. Siren Head does not, in fact, disappear. Siren Head just stays there. Health. Okay. Well, maybe we don't have to worry about him disappearing. We're just gonna make it night to make it more creepier. Ooh. This is nice. I like this. Okay. Generation is taking longer than expected. Okay. Local health. Wait. Generation is taking longer than expected. Please wait. Planning next moves. Oh, wait, it's right here. Generation is taking longer. Man. Generate multi-edit. Okay, functionality. accept all script. Orange when stamp. Blue when stamina is normal. Orange when stamina is low. Show sprint. Sprint ready. Stand. Okay, it's working. Oh, it actually turns orange. Did you just toss my body? Oh. Alright, I'm gonna make it night and then that should be it. Okay. Holy, this is dark. We still have like kind of like that orange mist to it. Okay, let's test it. Let's use a clear flashlight or night vision. Or just a flashlight. Okay, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. See you on the next one, and if you guys want me to update this game and add more, or if you have any ideas of what you want me to add in this game, just let me know and hit the comment section, like and sub. Alright, peace.